Now we will start with a time aligning of the engine. We'll go basic of the repair manual. This is the right side, is the bank 2 passenger side. Basic of the repair manual is telling us to prepare for easiest installation of the timing belt. This is the mark of the pulley, let's say. Is asking us to rotate clockwise one teeth. So this means one teeth is here, half teeth is coming here. So we are doing it, and we are already on the one teeth. Now we are going to the left side, bank 1, driver side. Now here it's asking us to turn it half teeth. Half teeth, we say we are inside to this channel, let's say. So we are doing it small. We are here. On downside, crankshaft side, we align already the crankshaft pulley with the mark that have the oil pump. So now what are we doing? We prepare here also our tensioner. One note I want to do, to press this pin down, it requires a good vise, let's say, or press to bring it and put the pin to lock it. So now what we are doing? We are passing the belt inside to the crankshaft. We have to be sure that the teeth, they are correct, attached to the, like that. As you can see that they enter inside. We are passing the belt through the bearing, we are coming on the bank 1 camshaft. We are following up water pump. We need to be careful. And we are installing the belt. It will not be easy here. On the bank 2. All these things we are doing it basic of the repair manual. Now we are taking the tension. We are tightening it. And now he is asking us to rotate the engine. We are rotating the engine. And we are on the crankshaft now. Let me align down small. This is the way how the repair manual is spelling for us to do the timing alignment for 2UZ engine with a VVTi system. And now, to make sure that we are 100% accurate, we just install temporary the plastic cover and the main pulley that it shows us exactly the mark. We will not use anymore the oil pump. So here it's the crankshaft one. Here you can see you have to come face like it is the camera now to check. It's exactly on marks. And here we are on marks also. This now alignment, it have to do with specs that the repair manual it requires us to do it.